Met her in a club down in Old Soho way. Drink champagne and it tastes just like cherry cola. C-O-L-A cola. She walked up to me and she asked me to dance. And I asked her her name in a dark brown book. She said hello, 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 la 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 la.
Caballos grandes no los queremos. Cuidado ahora,
I'm not the world's most physical guy, but when she squeezed me tight, she nearly broke my spine. Oh, my Lola, la 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 Lola. I'm not dumb, but I can't understand why she walks like a woman and talks like a man. My Lola, la 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 Lola, la 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 Lola. Well, we drank champagne and danced all night under electric candlelight. She picked me up and sat me on a knee and said, dear boy, won't you come on with me? Well, I'm not the world's most passionate guy, but when I looked in her eyes, well, I almost fell for my Lola. La 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 Lola. La 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 Lola. Lola, la 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 Lola, la 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 Lola. I pushed her away. I walked to the door. I fell to the floor. Got down on my knees. Then I looked at her and she at me.
That's the way that I want it to stay, and I always want it to be that way for my love.